Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Protective Girl. Today's video is how to make a DIY to-do list notepad. So today I'm going to share how you can make a to-do list notepad without buying one from the store, because to-do list notepad are really pretty cute aesthetic, but it's also a little bit pricey. So we can do our own DIY to-do list notepad. For this, you just need few sheets of paper, ruler, highlighter and a pen and a stapler. Now let's begin. First step is to measure the sheets and just cut it down to the same measurement so that everything looks even and clear, and you can measure according to your preferable size, like how much width you want. Few of you might like the long width or some of you might like small width, so you can measure it accordingly and then tear down the pages till you have few amount of sheets that you want for your to-do list notepad, and then just staple it with the use of the stapler. Make like a swatch of your highlighter to just highlight the top part, and then you can write to do, or you can even write to do list or my to do list, your wish, and then you can start writing your to do list. That's it. It's very simple, at the same time very effective, and it's just cost effective because we might already have all the things that I've shown in this video with yourself, because it's a basic stationery. If you don't like unruled paper, you can even do this with the ruled paper as well. It's totally up to you. So the most effective and affordable to-do list notepad is here with us. So what you can do is you can just tear down the pages after every day is over, or you can even have it like a log if you like to, have a visit of the previous day to-do list. Another tip is that you can just keep this list next to you on your desk or wherever you work or study, so that it will be effective for you. And if you are using your mobile or just watching some TV show, it will remind you that you have these many tasks that you need to complete. So it will be a gentle reminder, and as well as after completing each task, you can tick off the to-do list as it is next to you, and it will in turn motivate and inspire you to complete the whole list for today. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye-bye.